What's cracking YouTube? Hope you're all good because I am so fucking good. So I thought I'd make a video because I got some requests. Do a video when you're in Dubai, man. Do a video when you're in Dubai, man. So now I'm in Dubai. I'll probably be home when you're watching this, but still, thought I'd speak a little bit about what I'm doing here and show you my room and a little bit of thoughts about Dubai. So let's start with giving you a room tour. So here's the entrance, and I'm sorry the cleaners haven't been here. You have the desk here, a nice desk. As you know, always working, a miracle marketing, straight line selling, way of the wolf, notebook. You gotta rep your brand, man. Rep your brand. You have my suitcase, a bunch of clothes, some presents. And here you have, this is real cool, check this out. So, Mr. Salim, English, alright. E-service, I can have, check it out. I need a waste basket. I need a humidifier. Please wake me up. Can you please make my room? So, the service here is crazy. And we have a meditation couch there, a sofa, or whatever you call it, where you can just read and relax. You have 2 king-size beds because I am so big and I can't fit in one. No, I'm just kidding. They only had 2 king-size beds. And here is, like, this is literally outside of my room, right? So check this out. It's amazing view. So first you have some water here, obviously. This is still the hotel, you see. The name of the hotel is the Palace Downtown. It's one of the most nicest hotels in Dubai, actually, because you want to know why? Because it is the hotel that is the closest to the famous building and apartment Burj Khalifa. And bathroom, I'll show you the bathroom. It's quite nice. 2 sinks, tub, toilet, shower, and that's it. That's it. So yeah, this is one of the most exclusive hotels in Dubai. It is. You can go on like Trello or booking.com and check the price. It is very exclusive and I feel super blessed to be here. So now let's dive into this video. Let's dive into what I've been doing in Dubai. Take a pen and write this quote down. It's really important. Your network is your net worth. So your network, the people you connect with, they are what you're worth, like your net worth. And I'll explain this really quickly. How do I get to Dubai? Alright, so first of all, I told you, when I start this channel, I will be truly transparent. I will not lie about everything. I will not lie about anything because a lot of people lie on social media. So I want this YouTube channel to be completely transparent. And some of you guys and girls, whatever, will think this douchebag does not deserve this. He's lucky. He just got luck, whatever. F you, not true. You don't know what kind of work I've been putting in these past months. So, what am I doing in Dubai? Let me just take a sip of the coffee. Really nice. Alright guys. So we have a family friend, really from distance, not even a family friend. My mother knows this guy, knows a guy, alright? Never met the guy, don't know who he is. Just my mother knows him. I think they've seen each other like 2 or 3 times. I don't know from where. Whatever. So I know, like my mother tells me, this guy lives all over the world, like LA, Washington, Houston, Dallas, Dubai, Jordan. He's a really successful businessman. So I was like, let me call this guy. Let me hit him up, okay? For the past 6 months, if you don't know, I'll make a video about it later. I'm a business student. I study in college while I have 2 businesses, 2 online businesses. One is my marketing agency and the second is I do online coaching. So I coach people that want to learn about online marketing or online like laptop lifestyle and want to earn their own money from that. And in Sweden, I don't know where you are, but in Sweden, being in college equals to having 40-hour work weeks. It's a full-time job. So I've been having 2 businesses and like I've been in college at the same time. So I've been, for the past 6 months since I started my business, I've been putting in like 50, 60, 70-hour work weeks. And nobody, like everybody in my surrounding was like, Miro, you won't pass your exams and run your business at the same time. So luckily, thank God, 2 days ago I got my final results from my exams and I passed everything this semester. I'm truly blessed. It has been a hard semester. And let's go back to the topic. Sorry, I went off. And I spoke with this guy and was like, hey, I wanna, like, I've had a really rough semester. I've worked really hard. I wanna like come to Dubai because it's like I had some free time off. And as you guys know, I can run my businesses and travel because they're online. So he booked, this guy he booked my flight and he booked the hotel, this hotel I'm living in. He booked everything for me, alright? So he paid everything for me. And he's like, I can't even express in words how thankful I am for that, how blessed I feel, because it is amazing. Not a lot of people would have like done that, but this guy, he's such a great guy. He really likes to take care of people in his surrounding. So he booked everything to me. He took me into his home. He introduced me to his other friends, other businessmen. Like, he really took care of me as a family member, and I owe this guy my whole life. We've become really close friends, and I'm really happy about that. And he introduced me to all his friends, all businessmen. I've met the founder of Tao, the famous club in Las Vegas. I've met the founder of Polo, the shirt. I've met the founder of Studio 54. Studio 54 in New York, guys. I've met the graphic designer, the guy that did graphic design for the movie of Matrix. I've met the most incredible business people, and I really have network, alright? These guys, like, they told me, send me your list of services and whenever we need it, we will refer you. And I even started talking, I have a potential client here. He runs 6 high-end nightclubs. He wants me potentially to do, if the agreement and everything is good between us, he wants me to do marketing for one of his clubs here in Dubai. If I do well, he'll hand me over 6 of it. You aren't lucky, I'm not lucky. I created my own luck. You don't know before you judge. It's really important. You don't know what I've been doing these past 6 months, how hard I've been working, and I've been creating my own luck and my own opportunities. So life will, the compounding effect of life will catch up if you continue to work hard, if you have consistency. So a lot of people work hard, like 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, they don't see any results. But what they don't understand, eventually life will catch up. You reap what you sow. Maybe not today, but in the future. And I know all the hard work I've been putting in this semester, I've created my own luck. This is meant to be. You can hate as much as you want and think that like I'm a spoiled brat or I just got lucky somebody gave me the opportunity. No, it's really not true, alright? And now you understand what I mean by saying your network is your net worth, alright? So I've networked with a lot of successful businessmen now here in Dubai. I've made nice connections and potentially I'll have a new client here in Dubai. And if not a new client in the future, who knows when I'm gonna meet these guys again. And I truly, I have made some real friends here in Dubai. This guy that flight me over here, he has introduced me to all his friends, and I will miss these guys. We've had so much fun, and they're all businessmen. All really successful businessmen between 30 and 48 years old. So I'm younger and like they've taken care of me so good. They've taken me to the most high-end restaurants, to the most high-end clubs. Amazing. I love Dubai. Love Dubai. So that is what's happened, okay? That is the thing. That is how I came to Dubai. That is how everything happened. And I know you have like a lot of people asked, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? Man, what the are you doing in Dubai? And I just said, man, I'm here networking. Your network is your net worth. If you know people, then you're good. Seriously. It's all about making the right connections. It's all about making the right connections. I made the right connections here, and now look with like what an opportunity I've been blessed with. Just think of how many new connections I've made in Dubai and how worthy and how useful they can be in the future. These are really successful businessmen, and I'm not saying that to brag. I'm saying this in order to make you understand. Go out and network, meet people, talk to people when you're out clubbing, whatever. Make connections. Like a lot of people, a lot of my friends wouldn't have take their time to write this guy because they would have thought, this guy doesn't know me. It's kind of embarrassing me telling him, hey, I want to come to Dubai. But I did, and look at the connection I made. Look at the network. It's all about putting yourself out there and not being scared. Don't forget to subscribe. We have a lot of nice videos coming out with a lot of great value. Health, wealth, love, and happiness. Let's go.